The light.
Is this really bright?
I don't care how bright it is, but yeah, it's bright as ever. Creates a nice base. It's smooth, right? It's better than moisturizer. And it feels like it's going to constantly be there. Okay? It feels like the more you rub, it's not going to stop, but it's actually filling in all your pores. The one that you just used is by Maybeline. It's called Pore Master. It fills your pores to create a smooth base. Next thing, get your foundation out and pour it onto your plate. Dip it in there, and I want you to put it in your T-zone, straight down your face. The way to hold your foundation brush and all your brushes is like you're writing. Simple strokes, down and around. Doesn't look like I'm doing, and I'm not doing much, and it's not a lot of pressure. Down and around, hitting all the areas. Make sure you get your chin and your neck. Boom, boom. Put your lips in, Toni. Thank you. In your brow bone, that's your arch. Put a little dot right there. To find where your eyebrow ends, side of your nose to the outside of your eye. Side of your nose to the outside of your eye. You all have blush compacts on your table? Yes. And as brown and beautiful as Toni is, all you want to do is see this hint of rosy in her cheeks.
Oh my God. That Toni got too excited.
That's right.
First lady.
Little shimmering jar that you have is your highlighter. Here, around my cheeks, my cupid's bow, my forehead, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, and my chin. And sometimes my collarbone. I goes up. All right? And how you're going to apply on your cheekbone, sweep back. Just sweep back. Sweep back towards your hairline. Okay. Not light, but lighter. Nothing dark.
So on this side of the rim, not this side.
You can choose something on that side. You can. But nothing dark like dark blue or black. Purple's fine for a transition shade. You can use, exactly, that's a wonderful transition shade. Don't apply it yet because I'm going to explain to you where to put it. Therese, what is your transition shade? What is your first shade that you're choosing? There is a palette in front of you. Nothing like dark brown, dark purple, dark blue. You can use orange, burgundy, pink, whatever you want.